Hello everybody, it's me Fireboy, and today this is going to be a tutorial on how to draw Vegeta from Dragon Ball Z. Now, let's just be clear, I'm not very good at art, but I enjoy it, and I'll be hopefully teaching you guys how to draw Vegeta. Granted, you'll probably find a better tutorial, but this is just how I will draw Vegeta. You can follow along if you like, but this is just how I draw Vegeta. And this is also a 100 subscriber special, I guess. So thank you guys for that. Really appreciate the support. Let's try and get to 150 now. Alright, now let's begin. So what I'm going to be doing here is I'm just going to be drawing a little cross for now to mark his face and all the features on it. So this cross will be the middle, and just drawing a dot. And into like a little W there. Then I'm just gonna do this real quick. It's kind of like a bridge, sort of. You're gonna make this area to make the edge thicker. I'm gonna do that, and then gonna keep the eye base on the line and draw his eye and the other eye. Now I'm gonna do the same thing. Make it thick here, and then like that, and then the other eye like that. Okay, now for the nose. Oh, can't forget this. Schedule 3 lines like that. Okay, now for the nose. Just gonna draw right down the line. Little triangle there, and then like that. And for the mouth, we're just gonna do a simple angry expression because we don't want to overcomplicate things. Because I'm not very good at Dragon Ball drawings, I try my best. Okay, now for the face. This is probably one of the hardest parts. You want to kind of go like this. It's just 2 lines. You want to have just a little cheekbone here. You want to have a base point, so then everything kind of matches up. And there we go. Now just going to extend this a bit. For the ears, what we're going to do here is we're just going to draw like an oval kind of. Matches with the top of the eyebrow here and the lines here. So we're just going to be drawing it like that. It's kind of like a thunderbolt, and then curve with 2 little lines. Now we're going to repeat the same step on the other side. So we're going to be drawing like an oval and a thunderbolt with curve and 2 lines. Okay, now for his hairline. So what we're going to do is going to go out, curve, cross, repeat. And you can use just to make it a bit easier. There we go. Now for the hair. So he's got 3 spikes. They're like here, here, here. So we're just gonna follow those things. Nice little spike here. Repeat that here. Nice little spike here. Nice spike here. Nice spike here. Nice little spike here. Okay, so now I'm just going to do some details. So little triangles here. Then we're going to just add a like spike here. Some lines. Another triangle here. Another triangle here. Just draw a line on each thing. Really gives the depth of hair on his head. Okay. Now for the neck, you're drawing 2 lines like that, and then for the like chest, just gonna be doing like that. Like that. Now just 2 lines like here for the actual suit. So what I'm going to do here is just do 2 lines like that. There we go. And then same thing on the other side. So 2 lines like that. Okay. Now what he's got here is like a suit, kind of battle suit. So it's going to be doing like that. Repeat that step like that. And then he has the rest is like that. So and then we're just going to do an outline. And he has this as well. 3 lines there. I'm just going to finish the outline there. Now I'm just going to protrude these out here. So there we go. We got basically, let's go do 2 lines here to resemble the body. Now we've got the torso and everything, so now we're just going to do the arms. I'll be honest, I'm not good at arms, so yeah, try my best. So obviously you've got like 2 brackets here, so obviously you're going to do another 2 brackets here. Try and put some detail in the arms. Now, kind of made him to a T-pose by accident, so oopsie daisy. Anyways, I guess we'll just go from here. Now, what we're going to do for the gloves, do a big line like that on one side, go down, and then we're going to go like this. Repeat, repeat, repeat. There we go. Now I repeat. Now I said before, not my best. I was never good at drawing hands. I don't like hands, I'll be honest. But this is just how I draw Vegeta. Okay. So now for the actual body, the legs, that's what I mean. Never mind, I thought it was wrong. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is just go like this, and then go like that. No, I made a mistake here. Vegeta's legs will look like this, kind of. So I want to make these quite long. Then for the kneecap, we're just going to do it like that. Like, kind of looks like a bracket. And then we're going to go again into some more legs. Now, guys, the video cut out, but this is how the drawing turned out. So what you have to do here for the legs, you just mirror the movements like this, and then you go like a forward angle, back up, and then draw the curves. This might not even be Vegeta's shoes. I might have drawn Goku's, but oh well, so be it. So same thing here, just mirror the movements, and then draw the curves. For the aura, what you want to do is draw strokes coming out of Vegeta's body like this. This part's optional, but if you do it, it might look better on the drawing. But yeah, again, this is optional. So it's all around the body. Okay, so this is Vegeta. Now, you guys would have probably...
I don't know that.
Oops, I accidentally activated Alexa. Anyways. So this is Vegeta. And you guys would have probably done a way better job than me. So just tell me how this video went and if I can improve. And while you're at it, please like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot and it's free, but you don't have to. But anyways, if you like the drawing, who should I do next? Okay, that's Vegeta. Have an awesome rest of the day, guys. Bye-bye.